My name is Kelsey and I am a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. My closet name is Kelsey's One Posh Stop and I'll link that down below. I ordered 2 ThredUP DIY designer rescue boxes. If you haven't seen my last video on this, I have another unboxing where I got some pretty good stuff. Last time I ordered it, it was $60 for 6 items. Now it is $80 for 7 items, I believe. And but I just loved it so much last time that I ordered 2 more. It only comes available sometimes, so you have to catch it just at the right time, and then they sell out really fast. And so I just got lucky this time and I got 2. So let's go ahead and unbox them. Here's the size of the box. It's the same size as the one that I got last time. Both of them are the same size. Let's see. Okay, first off, a Tory Burch hat that is really squished. I'm not even sure what style hat this is. I think just like this. I think this is how you wear it. But the condition looks pretty good other than being squished. I think this is how you wear it. I don't know. Okay, so that's number 1. This looks like Longchamp. Okay. So let's see, the handles are they're not bad. No like peeling. Has the snap. There's a snap here, which I'm not sure. I don't know what that's for. Do you fold it? I have no idea. I don't know what that's for. Maybe it snaps to another bag? But it looks, okay, there's a little bit of tearing inside. So it's, yeah, just where the handles pull and it's torn in the lining. I don't know. I don't know about that one. There is a big old Coach bag in here this is DIY. This is a DIY bag for sure. The handle is real tattered. Let's see. I have no idea how to authenticate Coach. I see that the hardware says it. So, yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I'll list that or what I'll do with it. Maybe I'll cut it up and make it into something. There are some, these are pretty cool. They're like suede Prada shoes. Definitely vintage, but they're pretty cool. They're 39.5.
1 + 3G. Disconnect.
So the heels are a little bit worn. They're not the worst. These are sellable for sure, and they're pretty cool. They're pretty 80s. I'm into it. This is what? Carmen Mark Valvo, size 8 skirt. It's pretty. I see Carmen Mark Valvo pretty often, and I don't usually pick it up, just because I'm not sure about the resale value. And Gucci in a case. Let's see, they are Gucci. Cool. Gucci sunglasses. These look good. They're a little dusty, but they don't look scratched. These are good. I don't understand why they rejected these. I mean, I'm sure they don't look good on me, but they are in good condition. Yeah, cool. Yeah, they just need to be dusted off, but they have a Gucci, they have a Gucci box, so that's cool. And they even have a little wipe to clean them with. Cool. And last thing, Ferragamo. These are damaged. These are Ferragamo. Are these men's or women's? Because they look really big. These are loafers. The hardware is broken here. It's missing like a little piece of the leather. This one is fine. This one is just totally fine. It says Salvatore Ferragamo Boutique, made in Italy. The size is 11. I don't know if these are men's or women's. If you know, let me know. And then I think I can try and fix these. I can get a little piece of leather or something and try and fix these. Obviously they won't be perfect, but they're otherwise in pretty good condition. The bottoms aren't terrible. Okay, so that's the first one done. Is that 7 items? I don't know. Okay, second one. This one has bubble in it. Ooh. Okay. These are Louboutins. These are really cute. Okay, these are 37.5. I don't know what size that is, but these are adorable. Yeah, so there's some staining on the back, so I'll try to get that off. But otherwise, these are pristine. These are great. I'm so excited. Another pair of sunglasses. These are Burberry. These are cute. These are like a tortoise shell. Cute. I don't know how they look on me. Probably not good. I think there might be a scratch on these. Yeah, these are pretty scratched. These are not, they're not peak condition, but they're cute frames. This is pants. Joseph is the brand. Ooh. These have seen better days. Okay, I'll have to look up the brand. I don't know if this is staining or what, because it looks kind of stretched, but I'm just gonna throw these in the wash and see what happens. But I have no idea about the brand. So if you know anything about Joseph, let me know. There is a clutch. This is Furla. Oh, there we go. It's like a little seashell shape. It's got some staining. I'll try and clean it up. We'll see. But I could probably, I don't know. Do people buy damaged Furla purses? Ooh, we'll see. Another pair of shoes. These are another pair of Ferragamos. They look the same size, 11B. So maybe somebody donated, or not donated, someone sent both of these to ThredUP. These are better. These are, nothing's broken on these, so that's good. Yeah, we'll see. Size 11. And then this is a Coach bag. This also has a broken strap. Inside is fine. There's a piece of gum stuck in there. There's some gum stuck in there. Yuck. So that might be, I don't know. And then another little Longchamp bag. This one is stained. Is that a thing that just Longchamp bags do? What are these snaps for? I don't know. Okay, so I can stain treat this one. The lining is not, there is no lining on this one. Yeah, so that's everything. So let's see, let's do a review. So Longchamp bag, number 1, 2, Coach bag, 3, Furla bag, 4, Ferragamos, 5, Joseph pants, 6, Burberry sunglasses, and 7, Louboutins. I am excited about these Louboutins. And then in the first box, it was the Gucci sunglasses, the other Ferragamo shoes, the Prada shoes, which they have a really cool basket weave heel, the Carmen Valvo skirt, the Coach bag with the broken handles, the other Longchamp bag, and the Tory Burch hat, which I will have to look up and just see, is it supposed to be rolled? Is it supposed to be down? I don't know. So that's it. Let me know what you think. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.